Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Figma app on mobile. First, download the Figma app from your device's App Store, whether it's an Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, simply log in using your existing Figma account. You'll then be able to navigate through your projects and files with ease, accessing recent work and shared designs directly from your phone or tablet. It's a seamless way to stay connected to your design workflow. Now, let's explore viewing and commenting on designs. You can open any design file to see its full content, just like on a desktop. Use a simple pinch gesture to zoom in and out, examining every detail. A key feature is the ability to add comments directly onto specific parts of a design, providing precise feedback. You can also easily respond to existing comments, fostering clear communication with your team. Moving on to basic editing and collaboration, the mobile app allows you to select and move objects within your design files. You can even make quick adjustments to basic properties, such as changing a color or updating text. A powerful aspect is participating in real-time collaborative sessions, where you can see live cursors of other team members. This makes on-the-go teamwork incredibly efficient, keeping everyone aligned. Finally, let's talk about sharing and presenting your designs. You can easily generate shareable links for any of your design files, making it simple to distribute your work. Importantly, you maintain control over access permissions, deciding who can view or edit. The app also allows you to present prototypes directly from your mobile device, showcasing interactive flows and user journeys to stakeholders, even when you're away from your computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.